one of the biggest trends right now is the FIFA World Cup, which is actually trending everywhere. Under Google, one of the O's have already turned to a football, which means this is an actual trend that is trending right now. You're going to see a list of countries that will be playing with each other. Over 80% of people are actually watching, consuming content about World Cup, and the remaining 20% are the few who are watching this video right now who can actually build business around World Cup and monetize World Cup that will be played in this 2026 World Cup. And the best part is this: whether you watch football or not, you can actually do this for yourself. So what you need to do right now is simply hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel if you would like to see more videos and strategies just like this one. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to head over to your browser, go to trend.google.com. alright, and this particular page is going to simply give you a clue of what is trending. If you come to this very section right here that says trending now, you'll be able to discover things that are trending at this current time. Okay, if you come to this section that says countries, you're going to be able to search for any specific country of your choice. Okay, I'm going to be searching for United States. All right, one of the biggest trends out here in this same country is USA soccer. Okay, and it has over 1 million searches in the last 18 hours. All right, so you might be asking, how do I now monetize this particular stuff? So what you need to do right now is this: because this is having lots of influence and a lot of people are interested in football, there are two ways to actually go about this. First, you need to do is get yourself a standard, well-developed website. Okay, as you can show right here, this is a sport website. Okay, that is well optimized and also monetized with advertisement. Okay, as you can show right here, this is a sport website which my team have already developed, and this particular website is out there already. And when they visit, the impressions count on our ads. Montag, another platform we are monetized with. Okay, the advertisement that displays on your website is what gives you the impressions on your ads. So if my team have already developed your website, they're going to simply deliver it to you. Then you can actually use this method to start publishing content. And remember, you can actually do this in any niche of your choice. Okay, so football is not the only niche that is trending at the moment. There are a lot of niches that are trending. Under the category section, you're going to see a lot of categories that are also trending. Okay, so what you need to do is to simply click on this section right here that says explore, or you come to this section that says World Cup USA. Okay, so when you click on that, you click on this section that says explore. Okay, so if you explore that, it's going to simply break down the things people are searching under this particular topic. Okay, so if you scroll down here, you're going to see we have the top queries and we have the rising queries. We normally focus on the rising queries because these are low competitive keywords that are yet to start rising. Okay, so what you need to do is to actually copy each of these. Okay, people are searching for it on Google as well. Okay, what you need to do is simply go to your browser right here and you search for Claude AI. So once you're on Claude AI, what you need to do is simply add this particular prompt right here. Okay, so you can show right here, you're going to simply be adding this particular prompt. So if you want this prompt, you go ahead and join us on our WhatsApp channel. Check out the link in the video description and join us on our WhatsApp channel or on our Telegram channel. Okay, alright, so this section that says here is the topic. What you need to do is simply come back to this section right here. You can copy this if you want to focus on this particular topic, or you go back to your Google Trend, okay, and pick any other one. So come back to this very section right here, then paste the content right here. Okay, so apart from this, you can actually go to your browser right here, the same way you search for this. Scroll down and you have to go to that section that says people also search for. Okay, and these are the things people are searching for on Google that most people are not paying close attention to right about. Okay, so with that, click on this section right here that says send. Okay, then Claude is going to simply ask you the information you want about this topic. Okay, so you're going to simply decide from this very category. Then click on send. All right, look, remember, even if your website is not on sport before, if your website was on entertainment news, you can add sport category as a category. All right, it's still going to simply work for you. Okay, so remember, if you have this in place, you can actually embed YouTube video. You go ahead and select the featured image, go to the featured image, then go to instant image. If you don't have this plugin, you can install it on your website. So if my team have already built your website, you're going to simply see this plugin. All right, this is going to simply help you to get information, images, copyright free images. Okay, so let's search for World Cup. You can see if you search for World Cup, you're going to see football images and a lot of that. Okay, so let's go ahead and use this one right here. Then you can add this, then click on this publish button. All right, so you can click on publish button. All right, this is the latest update right now. you're gonna see this is what we have here. This is the content, and people can actually read through this. Okay, people can actually read through it and get every information they want. And you can embed YouTube video right here. If you've already made a video, if you have a channel, you can actually start embedding your content, your videos on your website blog, so that people can actually stay longer on your website. Okay, that's going to simply help you a lot. Remember, one thing is missing here, the monetization. We're going to simply add advertisement from either Astera, Montag, or any place. All right, so if my team have already built your website, they can actually add advertisement to you for your website, monetize your website. Okay, so if you go back to dashboard from here, okay, so you can add native banner, you can add social bar. Let's copy the social bar first, then go to our website from here, then you can add it here. That's the first one. Then go back to Astera again, close it, then go to native banner. You can come back here, then add it somewhere here or here. Okay, so then get code, then come back here, add it somewhere around the body. You gotta simply separate them a bit. Okay, then click on save button. All right, so if you click on that, the next you need to do is simply you can actually visit your website. Okay, so you can see automatically advertisements already popping up on our website. You can see. Okay, so the more people visit your website, the more this advertisement is being shown to them, right? And you'll be able to get more impression on your Astera and also on your Montag if you're monetized with Montag and all of that. Okay, so this requires you to have a standard well-developed website blog. So if my team have already built your own, you can actually go ahead and start using this strategy to create content on your website. Okay, make sure you install SiteKit plugin on your website and also install invalid traffic protector. Okay, and that is what you need on your website so that it will be able to protect your website from bots and all of that. I've already made a full detailed video on the best plugins to install on your website. If you go to YouTube and you search for Mr. John Francis, then you type plugin, add plugin to it. Okay, if you add plugin to it, then you search for it, this is going to simply bring out a video which I made a few months ago on the best 10 plugin you have to install on your website. Okay, and if you have your website fully developed and monetized and you've already started publishing your content, make sure you create yourself a Facebook page, Twitter page that can actually help you get more traffic from your audience. All right, remember, traffic is everywhere, even on WhatsApp traffic are there. Okay, and this is basically how you can actually monetize this particular World Cup trend right now on your website. Okay, so if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next video.